Well, here's another beautiful Toyota truck. Toyota. It's a 1987 Toyota long bed. And I don't know who came up with the bulge first, if that was Nissan. It seems like it was Nissan, and then Toyota started putting the bulge in here. I could be wrong, but in any case, I sure like the way it looks. And then they did a similar thing up here. $205,000 miles. Runs like a little sewing machine. Just like a little sewing machine. Beautiful engine. I don't know if you can read that or not. Maybe not. There's something interesting there. You know how the little plastic thing always breaks off? Well, this takes care of that right there. A little chunk of hose on there, screw it down, and there's your catch. The interior's been redone. Other than my dirty feet, the carpet was beautifully clean. Now apparently the dash here had a crack in it, so the guy had it reupholstered and had these convenient little wood trim sections installed, which is kind of cool. I like it. Of course, it's got air conditioning. It's an automatic with overdrive. Got a good little radio in it. It's never been smoked in, thankfully. Truck is still cold. It's not warmed up yet, so it'll idle even better. It's got a tow package on it and a 4-way pin. Beautiful bumpers. Toyota mud flaps. And this is a huge bonus, having that opening rear glass. It's a beautiful truck. It doesn't have any rust on it. There's no accident damage. Got a beautiful paint job, beautiful interior. I mean, really, the truck is a show truck at this point. I think it would be a shame to put it in, to start hauling, you know, a half ton of gravel in the bed. Just beating the holy hell out of this truck. I think I would advise against that. I know I'm not going to do that with it.